How to fix Samsung A16 battery drain after Android 14 update. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on battery. And first of all, check here your battery draining apps and then click on view details. And here you can check your battery draining apps. After checking the battery draining apps, then turn off your RAM plus mode. Now go back and scroll down and click on device care. After clicking on device care, you can see the option memory. Now click on memory. In memory, scroll down and in last you can see the option RAM plus. Now click on RAM plus and turn off this RAM plus button. After turning off this RAM plus button, you can restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, then go back and open general management. In general management, scroll down and click on reset, and in last you can see the option factory data reset. Now here you can factory data reset. After factory data reset, your problem will fix. Thanks for watching this video.